just got done with the kitchen. Let me show you.
I spent under $7,000 in materials and appliances for this kitchen.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Today, I'm breaking down everything I bought, where I got them, and where to splurge versus save. The kitchen was small and outdated, so I removed these half walls to open it up. I paid for labor separately to rebuild this entire house. But these $7,000 in finishes and appliances, you could buy them yourself.
Let me show you how.
This Backsplash is my favorite part of the kitchen, and I got these tiles for 99 cents a square foot from a local tile store in Anaheim. $181 total for the entire Backsplash. Each tile is 24 by 48 inches, so way fewer grout lines, and it gives the seamless slab-like effect. Take it all the way to the ceiling. It makes the space look taller, way bigger than it actually is. The counters are white quartz with a subtle sparkle. The look of marble without maintenance nightmare. No sealing, no staining, no worrying about spills. Total came to about $1,300. Here's the trick. With waterfall edge, since I used the same quartz for counters and sides, my installer just extended leftover material down the side. Instant custom look. The appliances came from Facebook Marketplace. Stainless steel range and fridge for $900 total. Came with a 3-month warranty and still look great. The dishwasher retails for $505. I got mine for $224 using a Home Depot Pro account. They all match, which makes the space feel pulled together and intentional. The hardware is like jewelry for a kitchen. Black and gold faucet, gold handles, undermount sink, and these pendant lights. All of this together was about $600, and it completely changes the tone from basic rental to Pinterest worthy. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront. These are pre-made shaker cabinet in matte white. $3,400 for these cabinets. If I did custom cabinets, would have added another $5,000 I'd never see back. Alright, let's break down exactly where that $7,000 went. Backsplash, countertops, appliances, cabinets, fixtures, and hardware. Total $67.20. That's not just a budget number, that's proof you can create something beautiful on any budget. If you're planning your own renovation or just love seeing how to make budget-friendly design look expensive, hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.